Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are filming another video. I say another because this is my second video of the day. So today we're going to be filming a video of new products that are not new. For me they're new, but they're, today we're going to be filming another video where I test out products that I've never tried before that are not new, but I just never had a chance to try out until now. Like, I feel like it's late. It's like 9 o'clock and I feel like it's like midnight or something. But today's the second video that I'm filming today. Please don't mind my hair. It looks like shit. My uñas, bitch, my fucking uñas. I know I said this in my last video. Like, this nail just does not want to come off. Like, I ripped off all the other ones because this one broke. It actually cracked my nail in half, and so did like my pinky. It hurts like a mother. Like, it hurts like a mother. I'm not even gonna get into it. Like I said, we're gonna be testing out drugstore products for you guys. So I have been getting so many recommendations. A lot of stuff that I accumulated, you guys have recommended them to me in some sort of way. But yeah, so I'm very excited because I've never tried out these products, like I said. But yeah, so let's get right into the video. Before you guys get into the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell down below so you can get notified whenever that I post a video. Let's just get right into the video. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and prime. I think I'm gonna start with my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this right here. This was recommended so much from you guys. I've never tried this. I tried the original Luminous Putty Primer, but this is the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. I actually really don't, to be honest with you, I like the luminous one. However, I cannot try it on my entire face. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this and put it on the cara. What's actually going on in your guys' life? Because I feel like I am so ready to get back into like the normal freaking world. Like, it's March. It's actually March 3rd today, and it's my brother's birthday, and he's not even here to like celebrate it. He is in North Carolina, and he is there because he is in the Marines. So we couldn't celebrate his birthday this year nor last year, which sucks. Oh, this actually feels so good on my skin. Wow. So moving on to foundation, you guys have recommended this to me. I am not sure if I'm gonna like it or not. I've never tried anything Colourpop foundation, so I got these right here. This is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation. I got the shade medium 85 and light 60N. This is what the packaging looks like. This is not new. Like I said, nothing that I'm trying is new. It's just stuff that is new to me because I've never tried it out. Let's do medium neutral, medium 85 neutral. Okay, I think that's gonna work. Ooh, she's a little light. I've never tried any foundation from Colourpop, and I don't know why. I've tried their concealers, I tried their brow pencils, and I really like them. I don't know why I've never tried their foundation. It's looking a little white. I know. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fill my brows real quick because I don't have anything new for the brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill them in real quick, and I will be right back. Moving on to the rest of the face. Girl, get it together. So for concealer, I have this right here. This was actually sent to me. I did not buy this, but I know that it's very, very affordable. I think it's like $4. She Glam is from the website Shein, which is like what everybody is advertising at the moment, like for clothes and stuff. I honestly have not purchased from Shein itself, but I have purchased from Romwe, which they're like sisters. But it looks so cute. It's like so sleek, and like I like the matte. So let's just go ahead and try this out. Oh, I thought it was like, put it in. Oh, she thick. Girl, she thick, and she orange as shit. Oh, but I don't think that's gonna work. That's gonna look, yeah, that looks more like a foundation. Since I didn't have anything else, I'm gonna go ahead and try this right here. I haven't tried it, honestly. This is the Hydrating Camel Concealer, which I think I tried it out. Wait, I could be lying. I think I tried it out in my e.l.f. Cosmetics video that I did. Link it down below. If you guys haven't seen it, make sure to check it out. So then I'm just gonna set my face. I don't have a new setting powder, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Fit Me. My face, besides the color not being for my face is looking like a baby's ass. So I'm gonna spray my face with this because I feel like it's feeling a little dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this right here. This is the Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last Setting Spray. This is the Dragon Fruit Peach scent. Smells so good. I actually really like that. So I'm gonna move on to the face. I have this right here. This is the 8R That's Rich Complexion Pro Face Palette from Morphe. I don't know if this is new. She looked like this, which they look so freaking good, and it has like a huge ass mirror on there. They're like more on the warm tone side. I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here. Ooh, bitch. Okay, yeah, they're really on the warm tone side. So for blush, I think I'm gonna go with this one right here. It has a lot. Bitch, these are fucking pigmented. Okay, just gonna blend these out. Just pat them a little bit with this beauty sponge. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this highlight right here. Yeah, it's like, yeah, that wasn't the tone I was looking for. Yeah, I don't like that. Okay, well, when I pat it out, it actually seems to sheer out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Actually, this palette is actually really good. I just think I grabbed the wrong shade. This is the That's Rich palette, which I don't think that these blushes are bad. I just think that the contours are a little off from my skin tone. I really like the blushes. This bronzer is actually the only one probably that I can use from this entire palette. But we're gonna take it out. We're gonna take it back and exchange it for the neutral one, but it's not a bad palette. I actually really like it. I'm gonna move on to the eyes, and I got this palette right here. Well, I have never used this palette right here. This is the NYX Ultimate Utopia eyeshadow palette, which this shade is looking gorgeous, and it's kind of wanting me to try it out, but I kind of want to go in with like the neutrals in here. I always go for like a colorful look, and you guys always tell me you guys want a neutral look, so I'm gonna go ahead and stick to a neutral look for you guys, but I'm still gonna go ahead and add these pops of color in there, maybe a little bit of that. So starting out, I think I am wanting to try this shade out right here. Bitch, she said pigment. I am just gonna go ahead and pop this into that crease. First impressions, that color is gorgeous. So I'm going to take a little bit of this yellowish right here, take some of that and actually just help this color blend out, and just to give it like a little bit of a hue, like a yellow hue in there. I'm gonna go ahead and take this right here, just a tiny bit, and I'm also gonna mix in this purpley eggplant shade, and I'm just gonna pack it right below that crease. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this light pink right there, and I'm still gonna take it on that same brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out just a tiny bit more. Ooh, yes, bitch. I was gonna go ahead and cut my crease, but bitch, I am literally just gonna go ahead and take the eye primer. I'm gonna take this green right there and I'm gonna pack a little bit on of that. I know these are not neutral, but I just have to. It's like the most colorful shade in the palette, bitch. Oh, Jesus. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade right here, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this one as well and blend this right here so that it doesn't look so harsh. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this other eye off camera. I'm gonna apply some lashes. I'll show you guys when I come back what they look like because they're from my own collection. But you guys, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do just that. I'll be right back to show you guys the lips. I think this has to be like my favorite look that I've done here ever. Like, bitch, that green, this has to be like my favorite drugstore eyeshadow palette for my inner corner, bitch, because I know that you guys are gonna ask. For my inner corner, I used this green shade right here and then I mixed it a little bit with that one. So bitch, I am fucking obsessed. Moving on to the lips, I got four things. I got four things. I got this lip liner from NYX. This is in the shade Free Spirit. I got these, which I've heard so much of. These are the lip filter glosses from Maybelline. I got the shade Ice and the shade Pearl, and then I got this right here. This is a lippy stick from Colourpop in the shade Parker. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with this NYX lip liner. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Colourpop lippy stick in the shade Parker. Oh, and these two shades match perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit off because I think I put way too much. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and use one of these, which I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Ice. This is a lifter gloss from Maybelline. It has hyaluronic acid on here, so ish. I just put on that green shadow on my lip. Oh hell no. She said glossy. So final thing that I have to do is use this right here. This is the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray from the Madison Beer collection. This is the Seal the Deal spray. She looked like this. She looks so freaking pretty. Ooh. By the way, the lashes are from my own lash brand. I haven't named them just yet, so if you guys want to help me out with this lash name. I've been working on my lash brand for the past year, and yeah, I'm getting ready to launch very soon. It was delayed last year due to like COVID and stuff, and like my vendor didn't want to sell or send me samples due to COVID. So yeah, I'm getting ready to like launch very soon, and bitch, I am so excited. You guys, I actually really loved a lot of shit that I used in today's video. Loved the eyeshadow palette. If there's other ones that you guys recommend, because I got this from a recommendation from you guys, bitch, I am obsessed. If you guys have other recommendations, please let me know. If they're bomb as fuck as this one, let a hoe know. I actually don't know if I like these. I hate the smell. The smell is, ugh, it's like really getting to me. However, it feels really good on the lips. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. Like, I'm going like this and it doesn't feel sticky at all. Like, I actually really do like it. The foundation looks really good on my skin. It actually settled really good, even though it's not my skin type, my skin tone. I'm gonna go ahead and be returning those, and I'm gonna get my skin tone, and yeah, but I'm sure it'll look really good with my skin tone. I actually really like the setting spray. It's looking very luminous, very dewy, which I like. So yes, the lippy stick was actually, the color is very pink. However, I don't mind it at all. I'm a pinky kind of girl. I love my pinks, so I don't mind. The bronzer palette, like I said in the video, so like I said, I am going to be returning it and getting my neutral shade because it was a little bit too dark. The blushes were fine, but yeah. The matte primer, I do gotta say that I like it. I like it better than the luminous one for sure. Like for sure, I like it a lot more, but like my skin is looking snatched, bitch. This has to be like my favorite eye look that I've done in a while. Like, so let a hoe know more recommendations that you guys recommend, because your guys' recommendations are bomb as fuck. So let me know more down in the comment section. But that's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video right here, and my boyfriend's gonna be getting here very soon. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and have dinner, have a movie night, and you know, get ready for tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, hit the notification bell down below so you guys get notified whenever I post a video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.